Belmont County had a unique political visitor on Monday afternoon.
News 9's Jesse Kane has more from a former Democratic vice presidential candidate.
Minnesota Governor Tim Walz visited the Martins Ferry Union Hall with an open discussion with labor and union parties. The United Steelworkers of America, Local 1238, gave the governor a standing ovation as he visited the Ohio Valley.
I think trying to understand across the country that the Democratic Party, I think it's pretty obvious, and the data shows that working class people simply have lost some of the trust that for generations we had with them. Folks who were there to make sure there were good union jobs, public schools, protecting things like Social Security. And I think we've gotten into this point where our presidential campaigns focus on 7 states and we forget about areas. I think it's really important to come here, a historical union area.
Walz spoke about reuniting the Democratic Party with the working class people, veterans, and the education workforce.
We have to deliver on policies that improve their lives. If they continue to see, look, if you ask a working class person, like I said, of my age, you clearly knew if someone was a Democrat, they were standing with unions and working people. You thought the Republicans were with richer people. And there's, as I said again, there's nothing necessarily wrong with that. We've got to get back to the point where we're delivering policies like good public schools, good health care, protecting these programs, then they'll come back.
Dissatisfaction about the current administration was shared by participants. Staff Representative John Saunders of the United Steelworkers District 1 said the tariffs came too late for local impacts.
That's the part that really disappoints me, okay? You lost 1,000 jobs in this region after we've shut down coal mines, steel mills, aluminum, and then we lost that. Now tariffs are coming in, and we're all supposed to be happy. That, like a fairy tale, we all live happily ever after. That's not true. When you lose your job, I call it an industrial death sentence.
Walz and Saunders both shared a message of hope, but they said it comes with accountability.
There's always hope, okay? America has to have hope, okay? The stock market's struggling, healthcare is struggling, all those things. There has to be hope, okay? And hope means be able to hold people accountable for their actions. Just like people have to hold union officials accountable for their action, elected officials have to be held accountable at every level.
This was just one stop for Walz as he looks to reunite the Democratic Party. In Belmont County, I'm Jesse Kane, News 9.
Hi, I'm Dylan Cleland. Thanks for watching. And here's another video to check out, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.